Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Joomla for freelance websites, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your web hosting account. Navigate to the control panel. Look for the option to install software or applications. Select Joomla from the list of available options. Follow the prompts to initiate the installation process. Choose your preferred language for the installation. Set up your database by providing the database name, username, and password. Configure the main site settings, including your website name and email address. Select your preferred template. Proceed with the installation and wait for it to complete. Access your Joomla admin dashboard using the admin URL provided. Log in with the username and password you created during installation. Once inside, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Navigate to the site menu to configure general settings. Adjust site details like title, tagline, and metadata for SEO purposes. Check the global configuration settings for advanced options. Customize the user settings according to your workflow needs. Install necessary extensions to enhance your site functionality. Go to the Extensions menu and select Manage to upload new extensions. Search for and install essential tools like SEO and security extensions. Create initial content by adding articles through the Content menu. Use categories to organize your articles for easier navigation. Incorporate modules to display content like recent articles or featured projects. Set up menus to facilitate user navigation on your site. Add a new menu item for each key page, linking to articles, categories, or external links. Review your site structure for ease of navigation and user experience. Test your website on various devices to ensure responsiveness. Back up your site regularly using built-in Joomla tools or third-party extensions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.